Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today I will be showing you guys how I created my grass wall. I love this look. It is trending all over and I did it for $50. So this is how it came packaged in this big box here. It did come individually wrapped per stack. So here, this is one stack right here. It comes with 4 panels and that's another stack that comes with 4 panels. There was a Mother's Day sale going on, so I did pay $25 per stack, so I got $25 per 4 panels. This is one panel here. I'm showing you how long it is. It is 16 inches by 24 inches and it's like the length of my arm. So I just want to show you guys that because I was really trying to figure out the math when I was trying to figure out did I need to get 2 or 3 boxes. So here, this is pretty much one box, which is 4 panels, which is $32 currently on their website, but I paid $25 because there was a Mother's Day sale going on. So I will leave the link down below, and here you can see that they do have 15 different types of grass that you can choose from, and my leaves are a little larger than other people's I've seen online, so make sure you do take the time to check out and make sure you are getting the one that you want. So now I'm going to lay out the other 4 panels, which is another box, and here you can lay it either way that you want. So I'm trying to figure out how I can lay it out evenly for my 4, so I just decided to turn 2 of them to the side like this, and that's how I got that look. Of course you can just add 4 on each side, but I just want to see how it looked, trying to get the most length that I could. And here I'm gonna show you guys where you can switch it up if you want to just make it easier. So line it up 4 4 4 that way, but I figured that it wasn't going to give me as much length or as much width as I needed. You could do it either way, but that's the way I did mine. So here I'm just going to go ahead and flip them over so that I can attach them together. And they did come with like those little things. I'm not sure what they're called. They do come with those that you can attach them, and later on in the video I will show you they do come with actual holes that you can put those through, but I didn't put it through the holes. I just put it through the different squares that they had. So here's one. I'm looping it through one side, taking it through the other side, and just pulling it through. And I didn't pull it really tight to where it was all the way together. I made sure it was some room just so I can still have as much length as I could for my money without squeezing it all together, and it really didn't even need to be squeezed. Okay, so yeah, you guys, this is how I did it. And then all of the extra sticks that I had, I just went through and added more just for a little extra security. I love this look. I seen this going all around YouTube and Instagram, and then everywhere I look, people are spending like $100, $200 just for this. I mean, of course you will have to spend more if you have a bigger section, but that's all I need covered. So here I'm using these little picture hangers, and that way it makes it easier when I go to take it off and relocate it, because I was putting it in different places. So I'm just putting that on there. I did like 3 of them in this area, and then I also did it again in my closet because those picture hangers was like $1 a piece for 3. $1 for 3. So here I'm showing you, I'm just going to hang it on top of that, and that's all I do. Just lift it up there and hang it. And then I had those 3 tacks picture hangers right there and in the closet. So here I'm showing you guys, this is how tall and wide it is when I have it up and down, and then when I turn it longer width-wise, this is how wide it is. So you guys can see, because a lot of videos I seen, they was not showing like how big it was. I was struggling with that. So here, this is another way. If you don't have picture hangers, you can use just thumbtacks. So I just put the thumbtacks on there like that, and it stayed. I did put an extra little thumbtack in the corner, and also right here, this is what I was saying earlier. This is where they really tell you, like, you can put those wire things through, those right there, but I decided not to, and I'm glad I didn't, because if you need a little extra support, you can just put the thumbtack through there. So I thought that'll be cool for a little extra support if I need. But I be moving it around too much. So yeah, at this point I was done and I was happy, and now your girl is ready to slay with her grass wall. Okay, all right, you guys, I love you. See ya.